Still figuring out how to get some extra cash? Why not try a Robbins Financial Fixed Rate HELOC?
What?
A HELOC, home equity line of credit. It's a simple way for a homeowner to get some extra funds, and without any surprises.
Wait, I like some surprises. Parties, getaways, turkey surprise casserole.
Well, probably not so much with credit payment surprises. The fixed rate means you get to lock in your monthly payments. So even if interest rates go up or market conditions change, your monthly payment always stays the same.
That would definitely make my monthly budgeting easier. So how does it work?
It's like a credit card that lets you borrow up to 80% of your home's value.
Wow, I bet I can only use it for certain things though.
No, it's designed to be a simple and smart way to get money for whatever you want.
Medical expenses?
Yep, that's a common one.
Education expenses?
100%.
A Hawaiian vacation?
Yes!
A 2-week-long Hawaiian vacation?
Yes, it's your money. 2 weeks, 2 days, or a 2-room addition to your house. This could be the solution that works for you.
Sold. Now how do I get started?
Just head to robbinsfcu.org or contact a local branch and let them know you'd like to apply for a fixed rate HELOC.
All right, Beach Cabana, here I come.